Hello everyone and welcome back to Milo Farms. Well, beautiful day out here today. Brand new groom trail this morning, and I just want to talk about a little tip that we started using this year for sledding. In the past with the old machines, I used to always wear earplugs when I was out riding, but kind of got away from that with the newer machines, the two-stroke Mountain Max, and then I got the four-stroke RX1 and I kind of started wearing them again. When you ride the four strokes, there's a little bit difference in noise, especially when you wear helmets. It just seems like it kind of rattles inside your helmet there, that vibration and that noise, and really can become taxing by the end of the day. So what we do is we always buy these little earplugs. You get them on Amazon and a whole bucket of them. I'll put a link down in the description. They're like $15 for a whole bucket of 100 or something like that. But we'll just put these earplugs in under our helmets and then put the helmet on. They work great. They really seem to take the being tired off at the end of the day. You don't have that constant noise all day, and it really just makes you feel better at the end of the day, less worn out. So hope everybody enjoyed the video. Check out these earplugs, they're real handy. I've heard people can also wear AirPods under their helmets. I think I'd end up losing those or something, but those do work well for dampening the sound as well. So remember, you can't finish a project without getting started.